and their child, our students, through the mean streets each day, with the hopes that awaiting them will be a strong, caring, and intelligent teacher that realizes through a rigorous, solid education that lives can be changed for the better. I am Dr. Alesia Slocumb-Bradford, that teacher. Welcome to Jefferson Middle School. This is my 23rd year. Over here is my philosophy of education. I believe that each child has the capability of reaching and maximizing his or her potential when their needs are met. So regardless of their learning modality, each child can reach their potential. And by having cooperative settings and groups whereby students have an opportunity to communicate their ideals and to communicate not only through verbal but also through written word as well. As you see, we have the writing center here. I have the writing center. Over here you see the different, how does a child learn best, the different learning modalities, their intelligence. So in the very beginning, I give students an assessment where they can literally see for themselves which learning style do they lean towards the most. As you know, there's no one set for each and every activity that you do, but a child is comfortable. They feel that this is a place where they can make mistakes and still reach their potential. And by having students have an opportunity to learn the vocabulary words and be able to incorporate the mathematical language while they're talking and speaking and writing and different things. So here you see a classroom that's full, that's occupied throughout the day, full of students going over, doing hands-on projects, doing different things, creating things for making. We have the robotics table. After school, I do robotics for the students. Again, making that learning come together with math, science, engineering, and everything that they can have a meaningful, rich education. And so that's pretty much for So let's continue. So when X is 1, what's negative 2 times 1? What's negative 2 times 1? Negative 2. Very good. And what's negative 2 plus 3? 1. So when X is 1, Y is what? 1. How many have that? Raise your hand. Very good. Let's go next person, Marcel. When X is 0. Y is what? 3. How many have that correctly? So it should be 3. You did not? I'm looking at, so what did you have? All right, so now leave this graph there.
Middle School in Washington, D.C. And I believe that Dr. Slocumb should be inducted into the Teachers Hall of Fame because she pushes us harder to get to the top.
Dr. Slocumb pushes me. First math wasn't my thing, now math is. And we're going to do the SAT.
They to help us with our math homework after school and at our lunch break. She does a great job at it because I ain't get it at first.
Helped me improve my grades very much. And at first, I really thought that the math problems Slocumb helped me improve in the skills. And once I got a hang of it, I noticed that I improved in our last test.
Is a great teacher because during the beginning of this school year, I wasn't doing well, but after Dr. Slocumb started helping me with my math, my grades started going up.
Hi. Hi. At first I did not like math until I came to Jefferson and Miss
Tab Marco?